to Silkytreat Channel Easy Delicious Cooking. On the menu today, one recipe prepared in 5 minutes start to finish. Omelet Bolognaise sauce. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 350 grams of lean ground pork, 9 cloves of garlic, extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, oregano, thyme, rosemary, red chili pepper powder, bay leaves, tomatoes 1 kilogram. Preparation: in a large pot, bring water to a boil, insert all the tomatoes for 2 minutes, transfer them to ice water and peel the skin the easy way. Insert the peeled tomatoes in a blender, adding salt, pepper, and blend. Peel the garlic cloves, mince them, add them to a pan with extra virgin oil, cook for 4 minutes, then add the ground meat, salt, pepper, oregano, thyme, rosemary, red chili pepper powder, cook the ground pork well. Then add blended tomatoes, a little water and bay leaves. Bring to a boil, then low heat for an hour. Make an omelet. See my other recipe eggs galore. Cover with the sauce bolognaise, recipe published previously, and roll it. All ready to serve. You can use this bolognaise with any other recipe. I will soon reveal to all of you in new videos. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.